checking on things like flow rates on the actual Ecodan unit. So easy way of doing that. Top right hand corner, 3 lines, and we're going to go into service. 4 zeros is a default. If it's not that, please get in touch with the after sales team. We're going to scroll our way down until we get to commissioning wizard. Give that a tick, and that's going to show me some helpful information. So you can see how it's doing data logging here. So every 5 minutes it's taking another little snapshot in time for me. Show me the flow and return temperatures. It's showing me what the cylinder temperature currently is, and more importantly, it's showing me the flow rate. Okay. If you're not too sure what these symbols relate to, press the I button on the left hand side and it gives you a little overview. If we want to find out what the flow rate is right now, we can do it via running information. So come back out, go down 1, and there's your running information. Give that a tick. And the code for finding out flow rates is 540. So 540. Give that a tick, and we can see that's 14 litres per minute. Handy thing here is, if I want to find it out again, I just press the tick button again, and every time I press the tick button, it's asking the question. When you're done with all that, come back out, press yes to come out of the service menu, back out to the front screen. Nice and straightforward.